So to get the crabs ready, you just break them off, break them in half, rinse them. They're already clean, just want to rinse them a little more. And then we're going to get the pot ready so we can boil them. So here we have the pot. I'm just going to dump the crabs in. And then I'm going to put about 1, 2, 3, 4 cups of water. You don't want to really boil them, you want to steam them in a small amount of water. And I'm not going to put a lot of seasoning, just simple Old Bay, good old Old Bay. Shake some of that in there. A little bit of, where is it? Here we go. 1 bay leaf. 1 bay leaf. Bay leaf in. A little Zatarain crab boil. This is really hot, so let's just drop. Literally just drop. Yeah. And then last but not least, Creole seasoning. Okay, we're going to put a lid on this and put it on the stove. Okay, pot's on the stove. I'll put it on high. When it starts boiling, I'll be back to show you. Okay, we got a crazy boil going on. Once it starts boiling, just turn it down. See how they're turning? Well, they're ready. So you bring them to a boil, and then you turn them off and just let them steam. Okay, so after you let them sit for a little bit, this is what you get. Just pour the water off. We're going to use the same pot that we boiled them in to make the garlic crabs. Okay? Steam. The steam. Let me get something. See if I can fan some of this steam away. Okay, and then you just pour them out, let them drain, and then we're going to put them back in the pot that we boiled them in, and we're going to let them drain, and then we're going to pour them back in the pot that they were boiled in, and that's where we're going to turn them into garlic crabs. Okay, so now I've added the butter, some parsley, and now I'm going to add that garlic, the whole thing. You don't have to do anything, just add it. Going to turn the pot on low, and we're just gonna let this cook. Okay, I've added the butter, the garlic, and some parsley. So I'm just gonna put this on low, let it melt, and I'll show you the end product. Okay guys, this is the finished product. Garlic crabs with garlic butter. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, this video, and just imagine yourself eating these garlic crabs. Sending good vibes your way.